The Oppo Enco X2 will set you back 5 digits this time, but are the earbuds worth the premium price tag? Find out in our full review. It isn't often that a value for money product outclasses its more expensive counterparts in more ways than one, and the Oppo Enco X truly wireless earphones from 2019 did just that. In fact, even close to 3 years since, the Oppo Enco X has consistently topped our list of the absolute best TWS earbuds under $125. But something tells us that's about to change, with the launch of the successor, the Oppo Enco X2. On paper, the Oppo Enco X2 takes the successful formula applied by its predecessor, and pushes it to the extreme. The Enco X2 ups the ante with improved active noise cancellation, LDAC codec support, added features, multi-point connectivity, and more. All this, and the price remains almost the same as the Oppo Enco X from 2019. It's safe to assume that our excitement has been stirred up, since all signs point toward the Oppo Enco X2 becoming the new flagship killers for months or even years. Is the excitement warranted though, or is it all just hype? Let's find out. The Oppo Enco X2 isn't the most eye-catching pair of earbuds, but the appearance of the earbuds does have a premium look and feel to them. No, they're not as fresh as the Nothing Ear one when it comes to looks, but the white buds with their black accents and smooth curves aren't bad either. They're also really comfortable in the ears, even after long hours. The oval case, however, is a different story altogether. These could easily be mistaken for any budget earbuds that cost a fifth of the price. I really like the pairing button on the side and the bottom-facing LED indicator, but I felt that even though the looks don't impact your audio experience in the least, a premium pair of earbuds like these could have used a little more visual flair on the case to set itself apart. First, let's delve into the accompanying app, which is the Hey Melody app. Oppo phone users don't need a dedicated app, since the features can be accessed via the Bluetooth menu. For those with non-Oppo devices, the app is available on both Android and iOS. It delivers fantastic user experience and a wide array of features. You get toggles for active noise cancellation intensity, 5 EQ presets, personalized active noise cancellation and sound, game mode, ear tip fit test, and customizable controls. Game mode brings down the latency to 94 milliseconds, so latency when playing games and watching videos is barely noticeable with this mode turned on. The Enco X2, like the Enco X, brings dual coaxial drivers, which is unheard of at this price point in the TWS earphones category. You get 11mm dynamic drivers paired with 6mm planar diaphragm drivers, each taking care of a different part of the frequency range. The earphones are equipped with a triple-core chipset which includes a standalone DAC. All of this wizardry brings out a balanced sound signature with exquisite amounts of detail and character in the bass and mids. The audio pops a little more in comparison to the Oppo Enco X, since the bass region of the frequency response range sees a slight boost. However, this boost leads to no muddiness whatsoever. What you get is punchy, fast-attacking bass response with very short decay. Mids are detailed and unhindered by the bass. Once you get the right size of ear tips on the Enco X2 and wear them, the sound experience you get here is top-notch. A balance between the lows, mids, and highs give you an experience that is great for all genres. 4 EQ settings also lets you tailor your output according to your liking to an extent. The Oppo Enco X2 also has surprisingly good quality, and every friend and family member I have dialed up in the last week were not able to distinguish my phone's microphone quality from that of these earbuds when indoors. Outdoors, sounds of traffic and other elements can leak in as in with most earphones, but the microphones here are just good enough for you to have a comfortable conversation with someone. Let's move on to active noise cancellation, one of the most sought-after features on headphones in 2022. The company claims 45 decibel of noise cancellation, with the new Enco X2s an improvement over the originals. The difference is actually pretty palpable, with the Enco X2 being able to drown out quite a lot of ambient chatter. Noise cancellation is available in 4 modes: mild, moderate, max, and smart. The smart mode picks one of the 3 based on your current environment and ambient sound levels. The Oppo Enco X2 comes equipped with AI noise cancellation for calls with bone conduction technology that extrapolates your voice and relays it in a clear manner. The earbuds have a triple microphone setup with each side sporting 3 high-sensitivity microphones. The calls and voice recordings are much clearer than they were on the Oppo Enco X. They even do a much better job in noisy environments, with the buds picking up minimal surrounding noises. While the Oppo Enco X didn't blow us away with its battery performance chops, the Enco X2 does enough for us to sit up and take notice. The earphones come with a whopping 40 hours of total playtime, and 9 hours of playtime on a single charge. These figures are with AAC codec on, and active noise cancellation turned off, but it is still impressive and on the higher side of the spectrum. With LHDC and active noise cancellation turned on, you're looking at 5 hours of playtime on a single charge, and 20 hours in total. The Oppo Enco X2 follows the footsteps of its predecessor and even goes above and beyond what the Enco X achieved. It punches away above its weight with exceptional audio quality, and an array of nifty features on offer at $139. Oppo has taken numerous steps to improve the user experience with the addition of features such as personalized sound and active noise cancellation, LDAC codec support, great battery life, and improved active noise cancellation. These will be our go-to pair of TWS earphones to recommend to those who want to experience every feature a 2022 TWS can offer without paying a hefty premium. Thank you for watching. I hope this review was useful and interesting for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.